Yes. This is designed for a trailer, not a
Don't worry,
truck
we'll
bed.
put it at
So, yeah.
part
Flip
of
it
it.
on the other side. I folded it up, so it's been a while since I unfolded it. Yeah, so it's designed for a trailer, not a truck bed. I'm thinking your best bet is just tuck it in.
Yeah.
Yeah, just tuck it in. Yeah.
All my sisters, except for 2 of them.
Want to toss your straps over here? I can tie it down.
Did she really?
She had tiny foot.
Oh, you got a rope? Okay.
I have both of them. I try to go this faster because I don't know. I have tendency to.
You want me to just slip it to the loop here?
I have a little system.
Oh, you have a system. You want to fill me in? Because I'm kind of curious now.
Did you ride with him?
No, I
you
drove
don't.
my car here.
Oh.
Look, this is what.
Because I was looking for your loop or a hook.
Well, I go like this. See this little.
Oh, so you do have a hole.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what I do is cross it to there. He's telling me that he's a sales rep. He sells homes.
Oh.
Oh, that guy that gave you his business card?
Mhm.
Okay.
So he's asking me, he says, oh, and what do you do? I said, well,
We live at FedEx.
I work for FedEx. And then she's, so you just, you come and help people? I said, yeah. She's my friend. Especially when she doesn't have nobody here to help her out. She says, oh, absolutely.
I need those missionaries. Leave them around here.
So what was she saying about
Ooh, ice cream truck.
your,
I went over to her office Monday because I owed her some money on the deposit.
oh, did you?
So I had to go give her some money, and she was asking, she said, when are you getting your shed? And I says, not till like the 1st of October, like October 6th, October 9th. And she says, well, you can't just leave all that stuff out there. I don't know if she was talking about this stuff or if that stuff, because you really can't see it back there.
I have a storage unit. You can put it in for now. I got plenty of space. I have
I'm going, that's what, I'm going to get up early tomorrow, and that's my goal.
Alright.
I'm going to get rid
I mean,
of
I
half
can
of that
I can
shit.
get a U-Haul pickup truck and just haul in my stuff
And then,
now. I don't mind.
and I told her, and she says, well, can't you take it inside the house? I said, no, I'm not taking it inside the house. I said, I'm going to go through it, and I said, I'm going to put it in a nice little pile and cover it until my shed gets in. That's what I'm going to do. She didn't say
Nothing else?
I haven't seen an ice cream man since I was a little kid. I feel like an old fart now.
You want ice cream? Did you like the girls?
No.
Girls. Little ice creams of dick and women. Some lollipops.
Only her would come up with
Some lollipops.
Martinez!
You want me to follow you in my car? Or should we ride together to DI?
If you want, you can follow us so we can just leave from there.
Okay.
And then we can just take care of it.
Okay.
This way, she stays here and you don't have to go with us.
Okay.
They say they have
Oh,
a.
you can't fly.
They say you just drop it off. They just You just tell they'll ask
You have
what
to
do
unload
have?
it. They can't go
Yeah.
in your truck. I used to work at DI. They can't go in your truck bed to unload
You
it.
just
You
tell
have
them
to
what
give
you
it to
have
them.
is
Yeah. Tell them. Well,
because there's like
Clothes and
sections.
what do you have? Because
Clothes and shoes.
clothes and shoes. Okay,
Clothes
yeah,
and
they can
shoes.
take it.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. It's best if I go with you guys to DI because if they give you a flag, I'd be like, look, I worked at DI. I know how this runs. Like, come on. Yeah, you want me to tie it down the other side? No, they don't. The only thing they're gonna really ask is if you got like broken glass. That's the only thing they're gonna ask.
No glass.
Okay, then you're good.
No glass at all.
I tried to go to here. So
Do the loop.
yeah, this way it will stay with me.
Okay.
It's not gonna be going all over the place.
You got a loop right here too.
I wanna use it. Sorry.
There you go. You didn't hit me.
Thanks, bud.
Yep. Do you have like a hook or something in the middle of the truck bed, up against the wall?
Yeah.
'Cause that's what you can use.
They come here. I've seen them a few times.
Oh, did you?
Yeah, they park right there and they go over there to the trailer.
Hmm.
It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice at a little trailer.
I thought you were talking about the weather.
It's nice too.
No, I think it could be 30 degrees cooler. I'm okay with
I
that.
like it. Tomorrow's gonna it's gonna be 100 tomorrow, and that's the
Oh,
day
it's
I
supposed-
choose to be out here all day.
Hey, I'm calling in sick tomorrow. Yawn.
Bye, Martinez.
That chick called in your little
Wait up.
wet off.
Okay.
Yeah, that's exactly.
I'm gonna follow you.
Where was that? Where was that?
Bye.
See you, Dad.
You too. Take care.